Huh? Yeah, yeah.
This is from the boys, from us. Let's go get the van. Follow us.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Just a little thing from us.
We've not been feeling down and out.
No, just to cheer you up a bit.
Oh, for God's sake. Oh, I'm getting the subtip shut.
So now so
It's got to be good if it's getting videos.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, I love it, boys, I love it.
Oh, you guys. Alright.
Oh, I guess I better join
It
in.
ain't getting used on me. I'm scared, I can feel it.
Have another look at it.
Oh, you guys.
My first condom. Oh. Quality that.
You've got to carry that in your wallet everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Or on Hacker. Just walk around with it stamped to you for it.
I don't think I'll pass on that idea. That'll be badge.
Where's his badge?
Nice badge.
Let's have a look at that as well. Jesus, is that condom in there? What have you two been going up to?
That's my glow in the dark one, that.
Is it?
I didn't get a chance to use it, but I can use it when I get home for a tactical one. As you do.
Tactical insertion.
I don't know where it is.
Posh ranks.
I don't know. When you got glow in the dark ones, it's all different then. All fun, that's a different ball game. Yeah?
What's going on? Where is it? Can't find it now.
No.
Alright. We'll
Fucking shoot.
resume recording in a while.